Hello my lovelies, it is a beautiful spring day as you can see by looking at my tree. So today for lunch I'm going to make a Greek salad, but I'm going to make a spring inspired Greek salad. So I'm going to use different lettuces, some that are a little bitter and peppery instead of the usual spinach or romaine. Usually when I buy a salad out it comes with romaine. So I'm going to mix up the lettuces and I'm going to add a little bit of spice to it, and I think you'll enjoy it. So come along and see how I make this salad. Here are the ingredients we'll be using. I have some escarole here, which normally I would think of as a soup vegetable, but it actually goes really well on a salad. It's very dirty, so you have to make sure you clean it well. We're going to chop that up and clean it up. I was going to use some frisee, which would be perfect for this salad, but I couldn't find it. They were out of it in the store, so I bought a closely related vegetable, which is curly chicory. So you can see it kind of looks like frisee. Has a similar flavor. We're going to use some kalamata olives, because what would a Greek salad be without kalamata olives? We're going to spice it up a little with some pepperoncini. We're going to use extra virgin olive oil, a little salt and pepper, some feta cheese. We're going to make a dressing out of lemon juice and some garlic. I think it will be a very interesting spring salad, so I hope you enjoy it. I've sliced the pepperoncini lengthwise and I've removed the seeds. So these aren't really hot peppers, they're more vinegary, but they will have a slight hotness. So you can use as little or as many of these as you like. I've sliced the kalamata olives in half lengthwise as well. These add a nice salty brininess, so again, add them to your taste. Here's the dressing I'm going to use on the salad. It consists of minced garlic. I used about 1.5 cloves. I squeezed in about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and used about 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. There's some salt and pepper, and I added a little bit of dry dill just to add a little sweetness to it. This is going to go on top of the salad, and we're going to toss it all together. And there you have it, a beautiful spring-inspired Greek salad. I hope you enjoy it.